Hello students, good afternoon. Myself Meenakshi Rohila. Finally, I launched my new channel on YouTube named as Radhe Radhe Study Center. This channel is about being English and SST topics and I will explain all chapters and topics accordingly NCERT syllabus so that students understood about it completely, and I will try my best to satisfy the students completely. You should subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment. So students, we will start now chapter 1 on equality from 7th grade. First of all, we discuss about the introduction. In the class 6th book, we read about India is a democracy. We looked at the key features, key elements of a democratic government. In a democratic government includes people's participation, means people can participate in the government directly and indirectly. In detail we discuss about it. After that, the resolution of conflict and equality and justice. Equality is a key feature of democracy. In short, we can say that equality is the backbone of the democracy, because without equality, democracy is not possible. Because equality is most prominent feature of democracy. It influences all aspects of its functioning. In this chapter, you will read more about equality, what it is, why it is important in a democracy, and whether or not everyone is equal in India. So students, let's begin by looking at Kanta's story. First of all, we need to see all these persons to clarify the word equality. Meaning of equality means, in a democracy, however a person is poor, a rich, and a housewife, a officer, a government employment, unemployment, every citizen, every person has equality, equal right. In short, we can say that every person has equal right to vote. This is the first main part of equality, means every person has right to vote, कि सभी को वोट देने का राइट है, अधिकार है. Such as Manjeet Kaur, teacher, Teja Singh, trader, Grish Rao, student, Kanta Devi, domestic worker, means घर में जो कामकाज करती हैं, सुजाता कुमारी, domestic works, अब्दुल रहमान, artisan, शबनम बानो, housewife, ग्रेसी लिलेंग, consultant, इसाक लिलेंग, government officer, रुस्काना मिर्जा, media person, योगराज, unemployed, अशोक जैन, industrialist. Means from a simple citizen, a common citizen, to a higher person, all are equal in democracy. Because without equality, democracy is not possible. And all this happened in Kanta's story. Now, equal right to vote means, every person has right to vote. The story above begins with Kanta standing in line to cast her vote. Look again at the various people who are standing in line with her. Kanta recognizes her employer, Ashok Jain, and Chote Lal, her neighbor. In a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. This, as you have already read in the class 6 book, is called universal adult franchise and is an essential aspect all democracy, essential aspects of all democracies, means it is essential for democracy. The idea of universal adult franchise is based on the idea of equality because it states that every adult in a country, irrespective of their wealth and the communities he or she belongs to, has one vote. Kanta is excited to vote and happy that she is equal to all of the others because each of them has one vote. Means Kanta feels proud of her because she has also the right to vote, same as the other higher persons, even that she works for those they also standing in line for voting their caste. But as her day goes on, Kanta becomes less certain about what this equality really means. What is it that makes कांता unsure? ऐसा क्या हुआ जिससे कांता को unsure फील हुआ? Means she is not confirmed about that. Let's take a look at a day in her life. She lives in a slum and has a drain behind her house. Her daughter is sick, but she cannot take the day off from work because she needs to borrow money from her employers to take her child to the doctor. Her job as a domestic help tires her out, and finally she ends her day by again standing in a long line. This line in front of the government hospital is unlike the one in the morning because most of the people standing in it are poor. Okay students, this is the first part of this chapter. We will read about next part in next videos. Thank you.